Hey guys, how you doing? So this is Dan from Trading with Dan, and this is our Bitcoin and Ethereum DMT and Dominator Autobot update. So firstly, what I need to start off by saying is that you just need to do what I say and not do what I do, basically. So what I did was I turned the bots off because it's the weekend. And I don't really trust weekend price action that much, and then after a couple of losing trades, the next two trades were big winners. So I know the irony of it, but obviously that doesn't mean the indicators don't work. That doesn't mean that you guys running the Autobot strategy wouldn't have made money. It's just me that didn't, because I flicked a switch. But anyway, let me show you the trades then. So firstly, we had this is obviously the Bitcoin 25 minutes. This is for the Dominator. So we had the Dominator. What's going on here? Been a bit slow here. So yeah, the Dominator took a sell trade, basically this level here, and then pretty much went straight down about 9%. It did obviously retrace, so it would have taken you out of the trade. So you would have got basically probably 9 minus 1, so about 8% profit out of that trade, which is obviously pretty good. And then the DMT fired. You can see the sell line here, the green line, that fired and then sold on the next candle, which was here. So that then took you straight down another 4.8%. So with the trading take profit on that, you would have probably taken just under 4% profit. So 8% and 4% is 12%. Yeah, so they're two great trades. Let me just show you. So the losses that I took were 3.1%, 2.5, 2 and 1.79. These, only one of these was a DMT loss, so it was only one was a bigger trade size, which was that one. But nonetheless, that adds up to 5.5, 6, 7.5, 8 9.2. So yeah, but you would have made 12 point something in those two trades, and you would be back on track. So yeah, so over to Ethereum. If you were running the Ethereum trades also, 15-minute DMT basically took the sell trade. Ethereum obviously being more volatile than Bitcoin, took the sell trade. You probably would have got wicked out of this at the first one. Maybe if you didn't, because it maybe didn't reach. Well, it did reach 2.5, so it would have taken you out of that one. But yeah, and then the Ethereum Dominator, I think put you in a pretty good sell, about here, about there, we'll say, there or thereabouts. So it took you less than 1%, well, about 1% offside, and then pretty much in a straight line down 8.6%. So there you have it. The great trades on Bitcoin that basically, if you guys were running their strategy, you would have taken. Obviously I didn't, but I mean, overall, in reality, that's neither here nor there. That's just my trading error. You guys obviously running the strategy would have taken that gain. So yeah, so I've not been looking forward to doing this video and having to admit what I did to you guys, but as in admit what I did to you guys, not that I've done anything to you guys, you know what I mean? I don't need to admit anything like that, but I just mean yeah, with the indicators and how they basically had two winning trades. Anyway, so there we go. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. But yeah, so so Bitcoin is looking like it's starting to fall out of this rising wedge. We're just looking at a bigger time frame. Sorry, I just forgot to look at the larger time frame. Sorry, this is Ethereum as well. Here we go. So yeah, it looks like we're starting to fall out of this rising wedge. So this could literally just be the start of this sell-off. Basically, could be the start of this sell-off, which would pretty much give us a predicted move of basically back down to here, which is about let's just say about 4,000. So yeah, I expect now that we've fully broken out of here to potentially keep making our way down. But yeah, if we do regain the level, then that is very bullish, and we could be looking for a move up but for the time being I think you have to err on the side of bearish still, which is what I have kind of been saying for well, since we were around about here basically in this formation. So yeah, remember, not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys soon.